What's up guys, welcome back to another Salomon Brothers episode where we have the BMW G82 M4 in sapphire black metallic. So what we're going to be doing on this car today is we're going to be applying badge overlays. These are custom badge overlays designed and available on our website at www.salomonbrothers.co.za. So these overlays cover the front, rear badge and steering wheel. Awesome addition to the vehicle, seeing that it is black already. It's all murdered out. It's got the Peter Parkers, as you can see. We will be putting these badges on just to complement that black, and it's going to be absolutely awesome and stunning. And just badge overlays make all the difference. Just the subtle difference and subtle change in a vehicle can make the car look a whole lot better. So stay tuned, and we hope you guys enjoy this fitment. Okay, cool. So Keenan is our designer. He makes all the overlays, designs everything, mocks up everything, and at this very moment right now, this is the G82 that's getting added to all of the products online. Will be available. He's just making a slight adjustment to the rear badge because of the camera. So yeah, Keenan, you just want to quickly explain?
All the badges on every single BMW are different sizes. So there's variations. So certain variations of like the 4 Series, the M4 and like the 420. Some of them have like a standard rear badge. Some of them come with the camera on the rear badge. So the camera with the rear badge obviously has a bigger badge compared to the normal standard badge that sits in the middle. So I'm just making a little bit of a different edit on the auto to compensate for the size variation, and then
we're set to go.
We're set to go, yeah.
Awesome. Okay, hold on, bro. So you were talking about when people have to look for their badges online, what do they have to look out for?
Okay, so if you go into our website to order overlays for yourself to fit, make sure you're looking at the information that's on the website, so you're getting the right information, so you're getting the right overlays for your vehicle. There's a lot of variations in the vehicles, especially the BMWs, and the sizes are fractional. So you might think you've ordered the right one, and when you get your product and it doesn't fit, it's maybe because you've ordered like the wrong category of the 3 Series or the 4 Series or whatever. Okay. So always look at the pictures, make sure you're getting the right information, make sure you're ordering the right product.
100%. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of products just now, so that's why it's really important that people do that.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Cool.